Stuck with a boring logo? Not anymore. Here's how to make a pro logo easily. First, define your brand identity. Ask yourself, what's your channel about? What message do you want your logo to send? Jot down some ideas. Next, pick your design tool. Canva is perfect for beginners, so we'll use that. Open Canva, create a new logo design. Browse through templates or start from scratch. Now let's get creative. Choose colors that reflect your brand. Play with fonts until you find the perfect match. Add icons or graphics that represent your niche. Drag, drop, resize, make it yours. Happy with your layout? Great. Review, tweak, and finalize. Then hit download and save it as a PNG. Boom! You've got a fresh, professional logo. Like what you see? Give a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.